Josh King, JetSet, Madrid, also known as JetSet Fly or Jet for short, is a 25-year-old American internet celebrity entrepreneur who has made a name for himself in the world of business. He is a self-made millionaire who made his first $1 million at the age of 19 and has since earned over $20 million through his various business ventures. Madrid's family faced challenges while running a multi-million-dollar e-commerce site during the dot-com boom, but they moved back to California when the bubble burst. Despite facing racial abuse and harassment, Madrid excelled in his earlier years at school and started buying wholesale products online and retailing them to his classmates for profit from as young as 7 years old. He believes that hard work and dedication are key to achieving success. JetSet Fly is a serial entrepreneur, podcaster, author, digital marketer, and e-commerce expert who is known for his luxurious lifestyle, supercars, and exotic cars. He has collaborated with several famous entrepreneurs, including Gary Vaynerchuk, Jake and Logan Paul, Lewis Howes, Patrick Bet-David, Jay Shetty, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, Andrew and Tristan Tate, Dan Bilzerian, and Anthony Robbins. JetSet Fly has starred in several films, including Kings of the Internet, where he showcases his lavish lifestyle, including his cars and beautiful home. He is often seen driving luxury cars such as Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and McLarens. Madrid's nationality is American, and he is based in Miami, Florida. In late 2021 and early 2022, JetSet Fly launched NFTmagazine.com, the leading NFT news site, which now boasts over 40 team members and an office in the heart of Irvine, California. He has leveraged the power of social media and networking to connect with mentors who are making the money he wants. Madrid encourages people to find free and cheap real-world training on the internet and do something today that will make them say, "I'm glad I did that," when they turn 30. In conclusion, JetSet Fly is a famous internet celebrity entrepreneur who has made a name for himself through his hard work and dedication. He is a self-made millionaire who has earned millions of dollars through his various business ventures, and he is an inspiration to many. His luxurious lifestyle, supercars, and exotic cars have earned him worldwide recognition, and his collaborations with other famous entrepreneurs have further cemented his status as a top-tier businessman. Subscribe for more biography net worth videos about your favorite internet celebrities and famous entrepreneurs.